everyone, this is Monica Singh and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another summer haul video. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing Misho's summer Pinteresty tops under piece 300 only. Yes, I've got 4 Misho tops and I'm really excited to show you guys what I've got. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the haul. So first I'm going to start with this really cute gingham print top which I'm wearing right now. Look at this top. It is so cute, so Pinteresty, and yeah, I love the pattern. I love the neckline, the sleeves, everything looks so cute. It has this really cute tie-up detailings in the front. Yes, and it has this peplum flare. Also it has this elastic detailing which gives you really cute body shape. I mean look at the fit. It is in a small size and it fits me so well. And yeah, the fabric, the material is so good. It's very summery. It is in a cotton material, and yeah, the material is perfect, very good. And talking about the color, so look at the color, guys. It is in a green and white color gingham print, which is so in these days. Yes, you guys know, if you're a Pinteresty girl, if you follow the trend, then you know this, that how trendy these prints are. When I was ordering this top, I wasn't actually expecting कि ये इतना अच्छा आएगा, but trust me, it is perfect. It is true to the picture, yeah. But यहाँ पे I can see here, I mean यहाँ पे elastic नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या है इसका. But anyways, it looks really cute, really Pinteresty and amazing. And yeah, lastly I got this one for just rupees 307. 7 rupees को आप कट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज मैंने कैश ऑन डिलीवरी में इसे ऑर्डर किया था तो मुझे डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला. बट इफ़ यू ऑनलाइन पे देन इट विल कम अंडर 300. येस, तो आप इसे ऑनलाइन पे करके ले सकते हो पहले. बट आई डोंट नो वाई मैंने इसे पहले पे नहीं किया था. आई डिड नॉट प्रिपेयर ऑर्डर. इज परफेक्ट फॉर समर डेज. आप समर्स में अगर बाहर घूमने के लिए जा रहे हो, पिकनिक में जा रहे हो, पिकनिक सॉरी, यस, कॉलेज के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है एंड डे आउट के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. आई रियली लव द वाइब ऑफ दिस टॉप. इट इज़ गिविंग girly vibe. I love it. And yeah, that's all for this top. Let's move on to the next top now. Next up, I've got this really super Pinteresty mustard yellow ruffle top from Misho. Yes, look at this top, guys. It is so cute. I really love the color, the pattern, the design. Everything is so cute. Also, it is really trendy top. I have seen it on Pinterest, on Instagram, everywhere. And finally, I got it for myself. Yes. एंड या इट इज़ इन अ जॉर्जेट मटेरियल, तो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लोई है, समर्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्ट है. एंड यू कैन वेयर वाइट स्पेगेटी, ब्लैक स्पेगेटी अंडरनीथ दिस टॉप. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा इसके साथ. एंड या आई गॉट दिस इन अ साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल, तो इसका भी फिट मुझे बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. रियली लव द फिट. Everything is so good on it. The material quality is also really good. It is soft, it is good on skin. I love it. And yeah, I can wear it with skirts, denims and shorts. ये सबके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला है. Yes. And lastly, I got this one for just rupees 289. Really, yes, it is for 289 rupees. And मैंने ऐसे tops सवाना में देखे हैं, मिंत्रा में देखे हैं, विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 500, 600, 800 समथिंग. बट ऑन मीशो ये बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है. ऑल्सो इट इज़ अवेलेबल इन मल्टीपल कलर्स लाइक रेड, येलो एंड मस्टर्ड येलो. तो आई पिक दिस मस्टर्ड येलो वन बिकॉज रेड वॉज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. मुझे रेड मंगाने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन था बट इट वॉज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक, सो आई ऑर्डर दिस वन. येस, and yeah, that's all for this really cute top, guys. Let's move on to the next top now. So the third one, I've got this really cutesy white bow detailing tank top from Misho. I mean, look at this top, guys. It has my heart, literally. I could not believe my eyes. I got this really cute Pinteresty bow detailing top from Misho. Yes, I mean, look at it. I really love this top. It has this cute neckline, like small cute neckline, and it is sleeveless. Of course, it's tank top, and it is crop length. Yeah, and it is in a ribbed material. Also, it is not see through at all. It is so good. And yeah, look at this. Like it has this pink embroidery. Sorry, and look at this really cute pink bow embroidery detailing on it. Like, look at it, guys. Yes, I really love this. It is super, super Pinteresty. And I got this one in medium size. And the fit of this tank top is again super, super, super amazing. I'm in love with this tank top. It fits me so good. And it is so soft, so good. The material is perfect. This will look amazing with denims, blue denim, black and white as well. Also, it will look really cute with tennis skirts and skirts, flare long skirts. इसके साथ सब कुछ अच्छा लगेगा, I guess. Yeah, and yeah, this is perfect for summer days. It's really, really good. Love the material. Everything is so good. And lastly, I've got this for just a piece. 256, so it is again under rupees 300, and the quality, everything is amazing. I think I'm repeating things again and again, but anyways, yeah, this is perfect, guys, and definitely go for this top. So that is all for this really cute Pinteresty top from Meesho, and now I'm going to show you guys the last top I've got from Meesho. So here I've got this black top from Meesho. I mean, look at this. Again, it has this bow detailing on the front. I mean, white bow detailing, and it has round neckline, long sleeves, and the length of the top is quite moderate. I mean, it's not crop, it's a regular medium length top. So it has this cutout detailing on the front. I mean, you can wear anything spaghetti underneath this top, it will look really good. And yeah, the material is lycra. It's soft and it's kind of see-through. I mean, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. And I got this in a medium size. Again, the fit is super good, super amazing. It fits me really well. I love the fitting. The top material is lycra and the quality is also really good. I mean, look at it. And it is in a rib texture. तो ये गर्मियों में थोड़ा सा अनईजी हो सकता है, but again it is super Pinteresty because of this bow detailings. Yes, and it is very simple also, yet super cute. And yeah, इसके साथ you can wear jeans, skirts, shorts. It will look amazing with all kind of bottom. And lastly, I've got this one for rupees 268. So again, it is super, super affordable and super cute, super budget friendly and stylish. और कोई तारीफ करने के लिए वर्ड बचा हुआ है मेरे पास. So yeah, that is all for this top, and that's all for the haul as well, guys. Also, I have shared all the links in my description so you guys can check it, and I've also shared some of my recommendations. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini top haul, and if you guys really did, then make sure you like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.